Watson's Shack and Rail reached out to Concession Nation in 2022 to build a striking 20-foot food truck. It has an eye-catching full wrap, a TV, and RGB lights were added to add elegance and style at nighttime. The inside is equipped with refrigeration, plenty of work table and shelving space. It also has an 11-foot hood with 3 fryers, a 2-burners hot plate, and a 36-inch griddle. There's also a sandwich prep station. You too can own your very own food truck. Visit our website to view different sizes and styles. And don't forget to pick up the phone and give us a call. For all in-person visits with sales, please call to schedule an appointment. Thanks for watching.